sometimes in my line of work, it is a blessing to be up against an experienced prosecutor. And the reason is because they can see where a case is heading and they have the experience to let go of something big when the writing is on the wall. And I like that show, The Queen's Gambit, on Netflix. I know it's been out for a little while, but I thought it was great. It was about chess. And in chess, a great player, the world's best player, can still look at the board and say, I can't win. And they resign. Now, to an outsider that's watching this big match, you're wondering, like, there was no checkmate. What happened here? And the fact is, they are smart enough to see 15 steps ahead and say, I don't have a path to victory, so I'm going to resign. That happens in my line of work too. You know, we got cops that spend a whopping 20 minutes talking to an alleged victim. You get a whopping 5 sentences as a description of some serious crime. And it is up to folks like me to explain that this isn't all that it seems, to supply experts or other witnesses or other forms of evidence to a prosecutor that really hasn't seen much. And then the prosecutor, a good experienced prosecutor, will see the writing on the wall and give us a little piece of paper that we call a no information, or if they've already filed charges, give us a piece of paper that's called a no pros. These are just like what you see in chess, where they resign because they're smart enough and experienced enough to see 5 steps ahead and go, you're right, John. I see where this is going. I see where your legal argument's going. I see what your expert has said. I see where the evidence that you've provided or the witness statements that you've provided, and I have no clear path to victory. I can't bring this case. Here's your no information. Here's your no pros. And it's a beautiful thing when it happens. Doesn't happen as much as we would like, but it does happen.